3.2 Notes, Domain and Range, page 3. So f, g of x is defined as -3 for x less than or equal to 2. So let's start with that. So I got 0, 1, 2, -1, -2, -1, -2, -3. Might as well go up here too. We'll count by twos. Same thing. So at 2, the value is -3. And for anything less than 2, y is -3. Pretty straightforward. It includes the point at 2. For x greater than 2, we have got the function 2x squared minus 12. So we got 2x squared minus 12. I'm going to start by creating a table. It's late, I'm tired, I don't want to think that hard. So I got x, I got g of x, 2x squared minus 12. Again, the boundary is 2. I'm going to plug that in, even if it's an open circle there. So I've got 2 squared, which is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 minus 12 gives me a -4. So at 2, this function has a value of -4. At 3, go ahead and do that. 2 times 9, 3 squared is 9, minus 12. I get 18 minus 12, which is 6. So at 3, I am at 6. And I'm pretty sure by 4, I am going to run off the page. So I got 32, that's a 3, minus 12, which is 20, 420, way up there. And so I have got a super steep part of the parabola here because we've gotten into the, that looks like a straight line. That's not what we want. Oh, that's not what we want either. Good enough. And there we go. 8 is asking us to go backwards. So I'm going to start by calling this f of x. I notice there are 3 pieces, 3 parts where this is defined. So I'm going to start by chopping up my domain. So let's see, I've got less than or equal to 1. So I've got x less than or equal to 1. I have got open at 1 and up to 2. So I've got 1 less than x less than or equal to 2, kind of tight in there. And then I've got greater than 2. So there are the 3 pieces of the domain that this has been chunked into. Now there's nothing that says I have to start at the beginning and go through. So I'm going to start in the middle where it's easiest. From x is greater than 1 but less than or equal to 2. Function value is just 3. So that's pretty straightforward. X greater than 2. Well, I could extend this back. This just looks like the line y equals x. So y equals x, f of x equals x. X less than or equal to 1, we've got to recognize that this is a parabola. My vertex is at 0, 0, so it doesn't look like it's shifted left, right, or up, down. Over 1, up 1 on both sides, so this is the standard parabola. X squared. And that's it. We're done.